Protesters and police outside the Kent County Courthouse on the second day of deliberations in the Christopher Schurr murder trial. No verdict and no mistrial. Late this afternoon, the jury informed the judge they were deadlocked and could not reach a unanimous decision. We have team coverage tonight as the trial continues into its 8th day tomorrow. 13 on Your Side's Kiara Patterson spoke with protesters tonight, but we begin with 13 on Your Side's Julia Gorman on what happened when the jury told the judge they could not come to that unanimous decision. Julia.
Judge Christina Mims basically said keep working at that verdict, and she can continue to do this if the jury once more comes back in a deadlock.
Deadlocked. That's what the jury in the trial of former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr, accused of second-degree murder in the death of Patrick Loyola, told the judge late Tuesday afternoon amid the first full day of deliberations.
You have returned from deliberations indicating that you believe you cannot reach a verdict.
On the 7th day of trial, Judge Christina Mims denied a motion for a mistrial and sent jurors back to continue hashing out the case.
As you deliberate, you should carefully and seriously consider the views of your fellow jurors. Talk things over in a spirit of fairness and frankness.
Heading into day 8 of trial, Professor and Associate Dean of Academics at Cooley Law School, Tanya Kraus-Phelan, says while a deadlock isn't uncommon,
I'm a little surprised that with just this short amount of time deliberating that they've sent a note to the judge that they're deadlocked.
4 options remain on the table: the original charge of second-degree murder, the lesser charge of voluntary manslaughter introduced on Monday, an acquittal where Schurr walks free, or a mistrial. Kraus-Phelan says the jury has a lot of evidence to go through and not a lot of time has passed.
In a case that was a week long, right, and the judge went full days, it would not be unheard of for deliberations to last anywhere from 2 days to the full week.
While no one but jurors are allowed in the deliberation room, she hints at what may be happening inside.
I wouldn't be surprised if there were some very pointed, if not heated conversations about what the appropriate outcome in this case should be.
Now, we're not at this point yet, but if there is a hung jury, the prosecutor will then decide if there will be a retrial, a reduced plea offer, or dismiss the case altogether. Deliberations with the jury will once again pick back up in the morning. Julia,
thank you.